YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Flex. Put your muscles up, because I'm back with another video. So look, man, if you want to live, never ride like this. This is an onboard sport bike motorcycle compilation, man. Alright, so this one, people getting a little crazy and riding how you're not supposed to be riding, okay? So take notes on what you're not supposed to do. So let's go ahead and cut out all the chit chat, man. Grab your headphones, turn the volume up, get that full experience. Let's get into the videos, watch it, let's go. Want to live, never ride like this, man. Oh my gosh. Like, is he doing that on purpose? Is he trying to drift into the corner? Bro, blind? Look at the body position. Look at the body position. Knee is not tight on the tank. I mean, the only thing he got going for him right now is that he's looking where he needs to go. That's the only thing he got going for him. The lines are terrible. Like, what? What am I watching, bro? What am I watching, bro? Look. I think he's trying to do that on purpose. I think what he's doing there is he's trying to trail break into the corner, right? He's trail breaking into the entry and trying to V out. I don't know. He got 14,000. So this is a 600. 14,000 RPM. So it could be a 600. 600 usually run from 14 to 16,000 RPMs. So it's probably a 600. There's no reason for you to be doing that, bro. Nah, for real. Not all riders, but kudos to these riders, though, for not dying. Yeah, blind corner. Bro, don't pass on a blind corner. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. These are literally trying to race. Like, don't get me wrong, man. Like, being on the street bike, I've ridden irresponsibly. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. But I've never ridden so dangerously. You know what I mean? Like, and these guys are not even that good. That's the problem. You know, they're riding like they're good, and they're not. They're gonna end up killing themselves or killing somebody else. Like, that's the best body position he's had so far. That dude scares me, man. I want to know if he went down there, honestly. I need to know if he went down. Oh, what are you doing, buddy? Nah, you got to turn around and go see what his problem is, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is why you don't pass on blind corners, man. For real.
Leck mich am Arsch! Komm her, Junge!
Nah, that's not funny. Nah. We're not about to hug and laugh like that was funny. Like that was a funny moment. That wasn't a funny moment. That wasn't funny. You have to fight. Like we have to fight now, bro. Like we have to figure out what the hell your problem is and why you even own a motorcycle. And like, come on, bro. Like you're not getting off easy like that. MTO9, CBR 1000, Night Ride. Night rides are spooky to me, man. I ain't gonna lie. Like if you're going crazy. That was close. He made it though. Okay. Hey man, them Yamis, man, the FZ6, FZ9s, MTO9s, MTO7s, man, the things is really monsters, man. Yeah, I've ridden like that with my friends. I'm not gonna lie, I have done that. Me and the homies have gotten busy like this on the streets. I'm not gonna lie. But when it comes to the curves and passing on blind corners and splitting and turns and stuff like that, you know, I'm not gonna be doing that in the country road. You know, if it's clear, I'm gonna get down. You feel me? But if there's traffic, we're gonna take our time. On the freeway, the passing police at 304 kilometers. What's okay? So for an American, how fast is 304 kilometers? It's like what? Like what? Like 170, 180? Maybe? Yeah, it's too dark to be riding like that in the first place. You don't know what you don't know what's gonna hop out at you. You know what I mean? And that too. And we say bye-bye. But yeah, at that point, you're just gonna keep going. There's no point. No, because you know what the cop heard and saw. Like that's all. That's all they saw. So there's not even any point. CBR 1000 in a rush. This is the Autobahn. Is that what that road is called? That's what it looks like. They're going to go this speed. For you to go this speed. What has to occur? Nothing. Nothing has to occur. Just the urge to want to go fast, I guess. You know what I mean? Like we gotta we also have to realize that a lot of people get sports bikes, street bikes, whatever you want to call them, crotch rockets, to have fun. You know what I mean? To go fast. You know what I'm saying? Like, so you kind of have to expect that every once in a while people are gonna, you know, ride like this out there on the roads. You know, not everybody is a track rider. Not everybody rides Harleys and just wants to cruise. You know, some people do want to go fast, and I have been that person. You know, I have ridden like this. You know, out there on the road. You know, but does that make me a shitty person though? No. Does that make me irresponsible at that time? Yes. Does that make me a bad motorcycle rider? No. You just have to pick and choose when to do it. You know, and who and you also got to pick it like who you're doing it with, because not everybody can ride like this. You're not supposed to ride with everybody like that, because that person can end up, you know, getting you oofed off. You know what I'm saying? But it's not that bad. The road was pretty clear. Okay. Now he's getting crazy. Now we're getting wild. Okay, this is definitely not the Autobahn though, I don't think. I don't know. I've never been outside the country, so I don't know. remember to always ride safe. I would say remember to always ride within your capabilities. You know, sometimes your riding skills can take you above, riding safely. You know what I mean? Like, and for one, riding safely is a subjective term. Like to this guy, like the way he's riding, this could be safe to him. He could be doing it. He could do this all the time and been riding for years. You know, could have been a track professional, whatever. And this is to him. He's just cruising. He's just having a good time, just chilling. So safe is subjective, and just remember to ride within your capability. Yeah, that was a little slip. Be aware, man. Ride with your own capabilities and be aware of your surroundings for real. Old school bike got some analog gauges. I wonder what kind of bike that is. Maybe it's a Hayabusa. Because Hayabusas have analog gauges too. Well, the older ones. It sounds more carbureted than fuel injected. Yeah, see, that's crazy. Like, why are you splitting there, bro? See, what? Why would you split in between the barrier and the car and not try to split between the car and the car? Like, if you're gonna do that, that blows my mind. Maybe he's trying to get to a gas station. So traveling around the world with low fuel. Oh man, what a crazy. I mean, like, come on, man. You gotta let people live, man. Let people have fun. Do what they do. Like, of course, like some people are just like dumb, right, and just have no sort of like common sense or maybe like survival skills, whatever you want to call it. Just people lack something. People just lack something. Okay, but you guys know what to do, man. Give the video a thumbs up, post in the comments down below, smash that big red button. Until next time, man, put your muscles up. It's your boy Flex. I'm out of here. Peace.